Hey guys, Satyajit Patnaik here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very big announcement. For whom? For all the data science enthusiasts out there, so stay tuned. So a major problem in the current industry is that many people they enter the field of data science and analytics. They want to learn AI, they want to learn machine learning, deep learning. Well, I don't have a problem with that. I am completely with you all. I completely support everybody and I push everybody to enter the field of data science and analytics as well. But the major problem in the industry right now is people know what needs to be done. They study each and every subdomain. Let's say they know Python, they study statistics, machine learning, everything. So they know all the dots. But the problem is that they are not able to connect those dots. So, what is the solution here? This is a problem, and this has been a problem since quite a long time. Many people know that they are studying data science, they complete their programs, they complete their courses, be it a 6 months course or a 12 months course or anywhere from any institute. But the major problem is that they fail to connect the dots and understand what should be their next steps. They fail to do their final project, capstone projects, machine learning projects. They don't understand how to do end-to-end projects. If you're watching this video, I'm not pointing at you, but there are some people who are actually lost. After they learn machine learning, they're lost what needs to be done. Well, so why am I talking about all these things? The reason why I am talking about all these things is that there is a company called as TMLC, the machine learning company, which is started by one of my colleague. I would say colleague because he was working with me a couple of years back, and we both have been sharing some data science communities. His name is Saurabh Sahane. He has also been into my channel in some of my few past videos as well, and he has started his company called as TMLC, which is into B2B, B2C, and edutech as well. So they are coming up with a new fellowship program. What is exactly this program? I'll talk about this in this particular video. So let me show Saurabh's profile. So this is Saurabh Sahane. Of course, I will be leaving his profile in the link below in the description of this video so that you can connect with him. But he has made everything crystal clear in this post that mentorship empowers one to see their goals with clarity. While you might take time to grasp onto the challenges while pursuing them, having an expert to guide you through each stage boosts the potential of your outcome. So the main idea about his fellowship program is that if you are a data science enthusiast, if you know machine learning, AI, at least you are at an intermediate level and you are struggling in the productionizing part and you are struggling in how to create an end-to-end application, then this program is definitely for you. Why? Because there are ample amount of mentors who will be guiding you in this program. Of course, there will be no stipends, but it's one of the journeys where there is a lot of learning. The registration deadline for this particular program is 25th of October 2021, of course, and no enrollment fees. This program starts on 1st of November, and it is a 2 months program where you have to create an end-to-end application. Well, idea will not be you can have your idea, but the team already has some ideas on what products needs to be built and you will be a part of it. And definitely these kind of projects, capstone projects, can be kind of a booster for your resumes. Now I'll quickly go back to this PPT. So TMLC fellowship, meet our mentors. So this particular sheet tells you who are the mentors. Okay, now our first mentor for this program is Usha Rengaraju. Who doesn't know her? She's the India's first female Kaggle Grandmaster, and I hope many people know that she has also visited my channel for one of the skin detection use case using deep learning. She was a part of that webinar. She's a wonderful personality. I know her since last 4 years. The second one is Dr. Prakash. Unfortunately, I don't know him, but I'm pretty much sure that he has abundant knowledge and experience into data science, so he can be a very good asset to you as well. The third one is myself. Well, I don't have to talk about myself. The fourth one is Nalini. So I mean, Saurav himself. He's also a Kaggle master and a very talented candidate, talented guy. I know him personally. Manpreet Kaur, even she's also a part of a lot of communities where I belong to. Son, Ritesh Yadav, Vivek Mahajan, and Karan Tiwari. So the team is kind of very well experienced, and they have built tons of products in past, be it data science products or any other products, but they know how to productionize it, how to create pipelines and all those things. So definitely this program will be helpful for you. Kindly go to this description below. In this video I will be leaving the link how to apply for it. Go and apply for it, and best of luck for your journey. In case you have any questions for this particular program, I'm not the right candidate to ask. You can definitely get in touch with Saurav Sahane. He will be able to help you. And that's it. I have some important announcement as well. Well, this video was itself an announcement, but I also have another grand announcement. Many people know that I was planning for an Open NDA contest, which I organized last month, and you have already seen the winners. Next month, in the month of November, I'm going to make it even big, and this time it is going to be a Power BI assignment kind of thing, Power BI contest. And stay tuned for the video. The video will be out in a couple of days. That's it for this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and definitely get in touch with Saurav, and I hope that we can work together for this particular program, and see you there.